What is up, everybody? Woody LS3 here, coming at you with another vlog. Today I got a phone call. Finally, what I ordered arrived at Project Torque, so we're actually going to be heading out that way. We're going to go pick up what I ordered. Hopefully I like it. I'll show y'all once we get there what it is. Let's go head over there to Project Torque. Alright guys, we're pulling up to Project Torque. Alright guys, we're here at Project Torque. Let's see what they got. Hello.
A la verga, ahí llegó Woody con sus llantas.
¿Qué pasó?
A ver, Woody, ¿cómo andas? Mira, pues aquí está el paquetito que te llegó, pa. Sorry que lo abrí, pero pues no me aguanté las ganas. ¿Cómo así o qué?
Yes. Yeah, so I haven't told him what it is, so.
Guys, you're in for a surprise. Woody told me he wanted to do this. I told him, man, go ahead, man. This is some badass wheels. And if this is your idea of fun, go on and do it. So here it is, guys. Check it out. Los mamalosísimos. Of course, Weld Racing Performance. Ahí está.
And now we ordered these back, like a couple weeks back.
Yeah,
huh?
we ordered them about 6 weeks ago. They are on back order, and these wheels are very, very light. Eh? They're performance wheels, Weld Racing.
Yes,
Now you're not gonna be able to do this with the regular set of wheels. Pero.
Hazle con los grandes aquellos.
No, hombre, son los chingados. So these are Weld 17 by 10 all the way around. Lug pattern is 6-lug Chevy. So Woody has an idea of what he wants to do with these.
Alright guys, well, as much as I would love to keep these wheels for me, this is actually going to be my month giveaway. We're going to give these away in a month. So starting today, April 19th, is it 19th? Okay, April 19th, any merch you buy from my website or even here from the store, you'll be entered to win these set of wheels. I got all four of them came in. So pretty much all you're going to need is the tires. But I mean, these wheels are on back order. They're very hard to get. And like I said, we put in an order for these about a couple weeks ago. They just now got here.
Yeah, they're on back order for about 6 weeks. So
yeah.
So you guys are gonna get a chance to win these wheels. All you gotta do is what? Buy Who Got Your merch?
Yeah, you could buy a sticker, you could buy a shirt, and every $10 is 2 entries. Like I said, the giveaway is going to end on the 23rd of May. So that's on a Sunday.
Thumbs up for that one.
This is going to be my first giveaway. I want to keep these for me, but you know, I figured let's give them away to one of you guys.
Because a lot of people have been supporting you, right?
Yeah, I mean,
a lot of people have been buying Woody's merch, and they come here, they get the shirt. So it's time for Woody to do a giveaway, give back to the people that support him. And he's going to give away a badass set of wheels.
Yeah.
I mean, people are going to buy his merch regardless. Now they have a better, like, now they could look forward to winning something just for buying his merch. So there it is.
Yeah, it's kind of my way of saying thanks to everybody that, I mean, I don't have a giveaway, I don't have nothing to give, but people still been buying my stuff, so, you know, it's kind of like my way of saying thanks. Now you're going to have a chance to win a set of wheels. Now, unfortunately, these are for a Chevy 6-lug, so for my OBS guys, I'm sorry. I will be coming out with something for you guys in the future, but, you know, for now, these are, I wanted to get these. Like I said, just any shirt, any decal, any hat, anything Who Got Ya is.
Or you can even do like a cash offer. Do the wheels or $1,000 cash. So there you go, guys. Now if you don't wanna, if you got an OBS or you got a Ford, do the wheels and $1,000 cash.
There you go.
Or $1,000 cash. I don't want to say
so there you go. So if you do have an OBS, a Ford, or anything that's not a 6-lug that this won't fit, you can get the cash option. And I mean, yeah, you can take some cash home. Yeah. So yeah, that's not a bad idea.
That's a good idea, way.
Yeah, that's good. That was your idea.
Vato,
you've been in it in a while, though.
Well, ahí está, güey. That's a badass set of wheels, como quiera. ¿Te los vas a llevar o qué los vas a dejar, co?
I can leave them here, that way they can see them.
Yeah, para que la gente si quiere venir aquí, they can pick up his merch here too. They got all his merch here.
So
buy it. We'll put you down for his entries. We'll give him the names, and at the end of the month, he'll pick a winner.
Yeah.
Live on Instagram.
Right here at the shop.
Right here at the shop.
Órale, ya está. Alright, so there you go, guys. Enter to win these wheels. They're going to be here at the shop if you want to come see them.
I like how they look right here, way. I think we're just going to leave them here.
Anything right there?
Right
Hopefully
next
they
to
don't
your
roll
merch.
off this way, no?
I was going to put a shirt there or something.
Yeah, ponle algo.
Who Got Your merch?
So there you go, guys. Damn.
Pick up a shirt. Who Got Ya? It's a badass design, so. Let me see. Mira. Ahí ya no se cae. Voy a poner una del otro lado, güey. Se va a caer a la verga.
Alright guys, so there you go. Like I said, the giveaway starts April 19th. It's gonna end on the 23rd.
So how many entries do they get for every shirt that they buy?
Every $10 is 2 entries. So for a shirt, they're gonna get 4 entries. And for a hat, it's 4 entries because the hats are 25. For a sticker, they're gonna get 2 entries.
Okay.
So every $10 you get is 2 entries. I'm gonna have more stuff out too. I'm gonna drop a shirt out this week, so y'all be in tune for that one. Like I said, good luck to everybody out there, and thank you to everybody that's been supporting me since day one. This guy right here has helped me out a lot. Oscar, Danny, the whole team, Alex at Exclusive. Just thank you to everybody.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck. So there you have it guys, this is a quick little video, my little giveaway that I want to do. It's going to start tonight, April 19th, and end on May 23rd. So there you go, make sure y'all get your entries. Like I said, any shirt, hat, sticker, whatever you buy, any $10 is 2 entries. So make sure y'all get y'all merch so y'all can be entered to the giveaway. And like how we came up with, for those that, you know, you can't fit the wheels, you can choose $1,000 in cash. So it's the wheels or $1,000 in cash, whatever you want. Get your merch so you can get entered to win, and hopefully y'all be rolling either some cash or even a new set of wheels. Y'all can shop at whogapped.com or at the Project Torque headquarters. My merch is always in there, so make sure y'all go ahead and shop and get your entries. Hope y'all like the video. Peace.